ये केस है एक बच्चे का. There's a boy named Daniel who is 12 years old and his weight is 28 kg. He loves playing cricket like most of us do. Many of us play so much sports, right? So he goes around all day playing cricket. He loves it. Daniel's daily diet is detailed below. Breakfast में Daniel takes multigrain cereals and skimmed milk. Skimmed milk मतलब low fat milk. Multigrain cereals मतलब oats या cornflakes, ऐसे सब बहुत सारे मिक्स किए हुए सीरियल्स लेता है. इन लंच ही हैज़ वाइट रोल एंड मिल्क. वाइट रोल इज ब्रेड के अंदर वाइट क्रीम लगाया हुआ एंड मिल्क. स्नैक में ऑल्सो ही हैज़ सीरियल, मिल्क एंड आइसक्रीम. डिनर में ही हैज़ वाइट ब्रेड एंड जैम सैंडविच और एग ब्रेड एंड चीज़ एंड मिल्क. डेजर्ट में ही हैज़ मिल्क शेक. डैनियल हैज़ नेवर ईटन फैमिली मील्स. कभी भी फैमिली के साथ बैठ के नहीं खाता है, इधर एट लंच और डिनर. ना ही लंच में ना ही डिनर में मम्मी पापा के साथ खाता है. एंड डज नॉट ईट फ्रूट और वेजिटेबल्स. पूरा दिन क्रिकेट खेलता रहता है. डज नॉट टेक फैमिली मील्स एंड उसको फ्रूट्स एंड वेजिटेबल्स पसंद ही नहीं है. अरे मेरी चॉइस है, मुझे नहीं खाना है. तो आपको क्या लगता है इन 3 बॉयज़ में से कौन सा डैनियल हो सकता है? Okay, let's first answer these questions and I think then we'll figure out कि इन 3 बॉयज़ में से कौन सा बॉय डैनियल हो सकता है. Do you think Daniel is healthy? आपको लगता है at the age of 12 years 28 kg होना चाहिए? Is it good और या तो ज़्यादा होना चाहिए? Yes. So pause your video, think about the answer, try giving the answer yourself and then you can play the video again. Here it goes. Daniel is not healthy guys. At the age of 12 आपका वेट होना चाहिए in between 35 to 50 kgs depending on your height. अगर if someone has more height then their weight will be more. If they have average height then 35 kg is the height. Okay. Now, why is Daniel's weight lesser than normal kids? Obviously, because he does not eat fruits and vegetables. Which nutrient is responsible for improving his height? He will need proteins, he will need vitamins, he will need minerals so that his height is increased. Okay? So, they have asked which nutrient is important for his height. Okay, so the nutrient they have asked is protein. The answer will be protein, vitamins and minerals. If you see, why is it important to have family meals? आपको क्यों लगता है family meals क्यों करनी चाहिए हमें? Why should we eat with our family? Because if we sit with our family, we will stay together with everybody. We'll talk with each other, we'll develop a bond, we'll develop relationship with our parents and our brother and sister. This is how we'll connect with each other and love each other more, right? And खाने पे नहीं तो हम कब एक साथ बैठ पाएंगे? Everybody is so busy with the work the entire day. Also, if we eat with our family, we eat what the family is eating. So that means we'll eat all the fruits and vegetables with our mama because she knows what to eat and how much to eat. And you can ask your mother to make your favorite vegetable and that's how you can remain healthy. Okay, but Daniel does not eat with his family, so that is the reason he is not able to have these fruits and vegetables and that's the reason his weight is much lesser. The next is, what food items would you suggest Daniel to include in his diet? What do you think? Which food item should be included? See, the entire day he's having cereals. Cereals mein he'll get proteins and carbohydrates. Okay. Cereals is your lentils and wheat and rice and corn, all of that. Milk से हमें क्या मिलता है? We get fat a little amount of protein and carbohydrates. Again, white roll में bread and milk, it will have fat, uh, carbohydrate, protein. Again, snack में he has cereal. So his do you see his diet is repeating itself? He's either having only milk or bread. So now I'm not saying milk is not healthy. Milk is definitely healthy, but that's not the only thing you need, right? Well, from where will you get your minerals from? From where will you get your roughage? What about your different types of vitamins? Because one type of food will not be able to give you all the nutrients. So we need to include fruits and vegetables especially, so that he does not develop constipation and has proper bowel movement and he discards waste, उसके बॉडी से वो वेस्ट अच्छे से बाहर डाल सके. सो आप क्या सजेस्ट करेंगे? क्या वो फ्रूट्स, ग्रीन वेजिटेबल्स एंड बहुत सारे फ्रूट्स एंड नट्स, dairy products, you can also suggest him to include fish and chicken in his diet. Okay, so what all nutrients does the food item contain? Fruits will contain minerals and vitamins. Some fruits will also contain carbohydrates. Vegetables will contain proteins, vitamins and minerals, and dairy products like butter and ghee and chicken will have fats. Okay, so these are the nutrients that these food items will contain. That's all for today, guys. After this you'll be able to solve the assignment also that I have given you. See you later. Bye bye. Take care.